If you're an art collector and want to see something really cool and unique, well, check this out. I'm going to take this original piece of work by Sloan Art over on Instagram, and I'm going to turn it into a piece of solid silver. Check this. It's, of course, Ozzy Osbourne, the Prince of Darkness. Let's get into it. So first up, the first job, I had to process the image because basically this is, believe it or not, this is a screenshot. So I used Canva to resize it, realign it and cut it, just reframed it slightly to what I wanted. And I also upscaled it. Once I'd done that, it was time to make a 3D depth map and get it ready for 3D printing. So as you can see here, this is a 3D print. It's come out really cool. And look at that. Now I have processed it a little bit. I've given it a sanding around the edges, and I've also given it a little clear coat to stop the sand sticking to it. But look at the relief we're going to get in the silver piece. How cool is that? And I'm just so pleased how it come out. So next up, now we've got the 3D print, is to do the actual sand cast. Now as you can see here, I've got a flask, I'm filling it up with sand, and basically all we're doing is making an impression of that 3D print in the sand and going to pour some molten silver into it. So here we go, this is what it looked like. I've just cut off the big sprue at the bottom, and as you can see, it's come out really cool. We've got the relief, there's no holes, so it's ready to go. So now all what's left to do is sand it up and get it ready for toning. So a couple of hours later, this is what we got, and I'm sure you'll agree, it's really, really cool. It's come out ace. I'd like to give a big thank you to Sloan Art over on Instagram. Do go and check him out. The link's below in the description. And I want to thank you for tuning in and watching. If you want to see another really cool piece of art, check this video out here.